All right, so I'm here. I am at Cooper's Old Time Pit Barbecue. I am with the amazing bartender, Aaron Castile, who is making me some Bird Dog whiskey cocktails. So what Bird Dog whiskey cocktail are you making me right now?
So today we're going to be making the peach strawberry lemonade with peach Bird Dog whiskey.
That sounds delicious.
It is gonna be.
Peach and lemonade, it already sounds good. And a little strawberry, yum.
Do a strawberry muddle there, a little bit of that.
All right, so you got some strawberry puree, you got the peach whiskey, and now you're putting in some of your house lemonade.
We are.
That seems really simple, really fast to make.
Quick, easy, goes great with barbecue.
Yes.
Going to shake it up a little bit.
Right, just to get all those ingredients. Oh, now it's like a beautiful color.
Right. Top it off with some lemon, straw, and you're good to go.
Wow, that took about 30 seconds to make, so I really appreciate that. So it's fast and easy. You can make this at home, like no problem at all. Everybody has some lemonade they probably have in their fridge, some strawberry puree, which you can buy.
Right.
And yeah, this is a good combination for barbecue. So, oh yeah, that's something you can crush all day long. Thank you so much, Aaron.
Yeah, absolutely.